Hey, ladies and gentlemen in computer science, I just want to give you a little help on the make code in case you're not sure where to locate things. So the first thing I'll do is type in makecode.microbit.org. It should probably come up. Okay, this is your home page. You don't sign into it. It's not Google. So you need to save everything that you do. When it is talking about the scavenger hunt, in order for you to do it, you're going to have to go to the new project area and just put scavenger hunt and create. Now you're doing this activity with your partner. So what you're going to be doing is looking for the answers to the questions on the left. So for instance, you're going to look in each drawer. So basic has these options. There's a scroll bar in case you need it, to look at more that you can't see. Input, those are mainly for pins and other components that you can plug in, or how you change the behavior of your microbit emulator, which is right here. There's also sometimes more if you look at it, and that even gives you more choices. Music allows you to play melodies, tones, and change volumes and tempos. LEDs, we don't ever use this. It's a mess. So we don't use that either. We don't really use radio very often, but it might be one of your answers. So you might have to look in those drawers. Loops, this is where we make things repeat. Logic, that's where you find those if true then, if then else statements, your comparisons equal to, less than, greater than, and, or, and true or false. Variables is something that you make. So you might make a new item to light up your LED light. So you'd make a variable. Math has all the addition and subtraction, square roots, randoms. That might be important. And then there's an advanced drawer with even more stuff. So there's functions. You can make a function like in math. There's arrays, so that you can see everything from one point to another. You can add text. You can even use this to build games. You can bring in image sprites. You're used to that. You can take lives away, make game over stuff, have a countdown, scoreboard. There's even more stuff, resume and pause. There's images. You can create little images, pins. This is kind of important. They talk about analog and digital pins. And then there's more. So that gives you more information you get about pins. We'll talk about those later. Serial, we don't ever use. And control, I really haven't used very much. Don't worry about extensions. We probably won't be getting into that. So you'll find all those answers somewhere on this page. Now, for the back, you have to do a tutorial for dice and 3 other game activities. So once you get done with the scavenger hunt and hit and turn it in, then you go to the home button and you scroll down, and the first thing you'll do is in the tutorial section, you'll go to dice, and you will do the tutorial. You'll do it just like they say, and then you'll save your activity. After that, you have to do 3 more activities. And I want you to go to the games section, not the radio games, the games. And you're going to create 3 of these games. And there's more and more down the way. Okay. So, and then make sure that you save your games to the computer as you make them and write them down on the stapled sheet to your scavenger hunt. So, I think I said earlier that you should turn it in. Don't turn it in until you do at least the three activities. Um, so, save and write down their names, know what computer you were sitting at so that you can go back to them and show me on Wednesday when I return. If you have even more time when you're done, I will have some crossword puzzles on my desk for you to complete, or you can do more of the game tutorials. Have a great day.